Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good morning from Jerusalem, Israel. I am currently in my hostel. I just woke up a few minutes ago, and when I woke up, I decided to make a very impulsive travel buy. I really do not want to go back to Milan, Italy, because I do not think it's worth the outrageous price that is in Milan, Italy. I just don't think it's worth it. So, instead of doing that, I kind of regret that it's cutting into my Israel trip, but at the same time. So, today, country number 21. Well, I decided to get out of bed. I'm on my way to this convenience store up here to get me my morning Coke. You all know by now that I have an addiction to Coke, so nothing new there. Cheers from Jerusalem. You know what I just thought of? I'm not even gonna have this video posted until like a week later, and I'm already gonna have where country number 21 is on my Instagram. So country number 21 today will be Cyprus. It's an island country in the Mediterranean. It is, I think, owned by Greece and Turkey. I think it's like, I don't know. Okay, I think I found a real food place here in Jerusalem that is open. Right here. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Just one?
What?
One?
You can sit. Whatever you
okay.
like. You're welcome.
Well, here's my breakfast. I have a sunny side up egg with salmon on it, some bread, salad, Coke. This bread is awesome. These eggs are pretty good too with the salmon. Of course, a Coke. I'm sure the Coke is good. I haven't even had a sip yet. That's good.
Everything good?
Yep. Oh, thank you. Okay, she gave me a key to go to the restroom outside of the building. This city looks so old. I love it. That was an excellent breakfast. Now I'm heading to the train station here in Jerusalem to go to the Ben Gurion airport here in Israel to go fly to my 21st country, Cyprus. Cyprus is like a Greek-Turkish island. They both claim to own it, so look forward to seeing what Cyprus is all about. I'm pretty sure it's low season over there right now because it's November. And now I am here at the train station. I am now in the train terminal here in Jerusalem. Now I I'll wait about 15 minutes for my train to get here to get to the Ben Gurion Airport. I am in Cyprus, country number 21. So I just bought my bus ticket from the Larnaca airport to the city center of Limassol, which is the capital and the largest city here in Cyprus. Is it pronounced Cyprus or Cyprus? I don't know. But it was only €9, so not too bad. I am in Limassol, Cyprus. It is Cyprus, it's not Cyprus. I looked at the pronunciation. I heard other people here in Cyprus call it Cyprus. The only reason I doubted myself when I was saying Cyprus to begin with was because this lady on my flight from Tel Aviv to Cyprus, or Larnaca, kept saying Cyprus, so I was like, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but no, it is Cyprus. So now I'm going to take a taxi to my hostel here in Limassol. Here's a taxi right up here, so convenient enough. Well, I arrived at my hostel a little bit ago here in Limassol, Cyprus. Now I'm trying to find me something good to eat, not Subway. Although I'm sure it's good. Well, that was good. Really good burger, really good fries. Although I don't see how they expect that big of a burger to go into me. It's not happening. I'm only 5'2". I might be an American, but I don't eat like one for the most part. Well, I am heading to my hostel now, so I guess it's a good time for me to say goodnight from Limassol, Cyprus. Sorry if I keep forgetting the name. It's because I only learned about this city like a day ago, so I don't really know anything about this city. But good night from Limassol, Cyprus. My name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Wait. Before I end this video, you all know how much I love drinking Coca-Cola around the world. Now, Cyprus is kind of like owned by Greece, but also owned by Turkey. And I think that's why instead of it being a Greek island, it's a country, maybe. And also, Cyprus has a lot of British influence. That's why they drive on the left side of the road. I believe it's the only country in mainland Europe that does that. Well, it's not even mainland, it's an island. But you know what I mean. I don't think any other country in Europe does it besides the UK. Alright. Cheers from Limassol, Cyprus. I believe it's a Greek Coca-Cola. I believe this Coke is from Greece. Oh my god. Yeah, it's from Greece. Oh, that's good. That goes down so smooth. Oh my god. I'm going to Poland soon, so let me enjoy good Coke while I can, because it's about to get shitty. I'm not going to avoid going to a country just because the Coke isn't that good. That's good. Oh, goes down so smooth. Good night from Limassol, Cyprus.